All right, bud. What you were doing, your topic is what?
Cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying. And what about it? What were you going to be telling them?
Telling them what it is and like talking about like healthy ways to deal with it.
Okay. Like what they should do when it happens to them?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's this you got here we want to talk about? Okay. Steps to take immediately.
So we have like a video that's like an intro to it.
Okay.
And then we'll like talk about like what you do after, what you do like when you see it.
Okay. So do you think you might want to talk about what this means?
Yeah.
A little bit. So.
And this is the definition.
Right. So what were you thinking? I mean, if you're going to show a video, how long is your video, do you think?
That one's only like a minute.
Yeah, so it's really short. Okay.
These ones are like a minute too. This one's like a sheet that I can print off and give to the right groups.
Oh, okay.
It's like what to do when you...
Okay, so are you just going to watch one video, do you think, or you?
We're going to watch this and talk about the steps and what it is, and then this one I might change that. I just typed that because I didn't want to write. And this, I can't remember what it was, but I can check it. And then this one just takes me to Brain Pop Juniors. We can like type it out.
All right. So do you think, what would be some ways maybe you want to tell them what cyberbullying is? And that's, what would be some ways? Because we've kind of talked about it's not necessarily what a child.
What bullying is?
Well, that's a good point.
And then it's just like them on the internet doing it.
So you could maybe do something that's kind of relatable to that. Yeah, if you understand what bullying is, it's just, yeah, I think that's a good point. I don't know, were you thinking about, because they like to play games, they like to...
I know, they like electronics and games.
They do.
I'm like trying to find like a thing that's like, I can make a game and then put the URL on here.
Okay. That's a choice, but I think at this age too, they still like to play a board game or a card game. Okay, so probably like in the next couple days we'll have to get that figured out so we can start working on it. Because you just have like probably next week to actually work on it if we want to keep working on it in class. Now if you want to work on it at home, once you get your idea, that's okay too.
Okay.
But we're probably going to want to keep working on it. Is there anything that you need from me right now that I need to get you? Do you have a takeaway? We talked about having a takeaway.
Yeah, we already do.
You already have a takeaway, and this isn't something I need to get you?
No, I already have it.
You already have it. Okay, Gabe, that's fine. I just needed to make sure you don't want oh, that's right. You had the coloring sheet. All right, that they could take. Okay, awesome. So do you feel like you've got, once you kind of get this planned, you've got your movies, because you've got about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? So yeah, you've got the movie.
I'm just going to need like a short little game for
something, a game. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, awesome. I think you don't need anything from me right now. All right. I think you're good, bud. Just keep thinking on that game.
Button.